Struggling with drywall surface staining from smoke or dirt? You're not alone, and it's actually way easier to fix than you might think. So, first off, you gotta clean the stained drywall surface really well. Use a mild detergent mixed with warm water and a sponge or soft cloth to gently scrub away dirt and smoke residue. Don't rush this part, because if the surface isn't clean, the stain will just come back after painting. Next, make sure the drywall is completely dry before you touch it again. Moisture is the enemy here. Once it's dry, grab a good stain-blocking primer. This is super important because it keeps those stains from bleeding through your new paint job. Apply the primer evenly with a brush or roller, and don't skip this step. It seals everything in. After the primer has dried, you can go ahead and paint with your favorite color. For best results, use a high-quality paint designed for interior walls. If you're dealing with really stubborn stains, sometimes 2 coats of primer do the trick. Just take your time and be patient. It's all about getting a smooth, clean finish. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with drywall surface staining from smoke or dirt is skipping the cleaning step. They just paint right over the stains, which makes everything look worse later. To fix that, always clean thoroughly before anything else. Another common problem is not using a stain-blocking primer. Regular primers won't stop stains from showing up after painting. Make sure you pick a primer specifically labeled for stain blocking and apply it properly. Lastly, rushing through drying times can cause paint to peel or stains to seep through again. Let both the clean surface and the primer dry completely before painting to avoid that headache. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who really need their skills. Win-win all around.